In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage personal tasks in Airtable. We'll start by creating a clean workspace so everything feels organized from the first click. Log into Airtable on your desktop, then choose, add a base and pick Start from Scratch. Give it a clear name like Personal Task Manager. Think of a base as your project hub, and naming it well will make it easier to find later. Next, set up the fields that will power your system. Add a task name field using single-line text for a short, clear description. Create a status field as a single select with to do, in progress, and done. Add a priority field as a single select with low, medium, and high so you can focus on what matters most. Include a due date using the date type to keep deadlines visible. Create a category field with options like work, personal, study, and health to quickly group your tasks. Finally, add a completed checkbox. Using the right field types keeps your data consistent and easy to filter. Now start entering your tasks. Keep each one to a single, clear action like email project update or study chapter 3. The simpler the phrasing, the easier it is to track progress. Let's make your daily view. Create a new grid view and name it Today. Add a filter where due date is today. This keeps your screen focused on what needs attention right now. By the way, if you want to follow along, the link to the Airtable website is at the top of the description so you can open it and set this up in real time. Create another grid view and name it Upcoming. Filter tasks where the due date is within the next 7 days. This gives you a rolling snapshot of what's coming without feeling overwhelming. In the Today view, sort by priority with high at the top. This quick sort helps you tackle critical items first. As you complete tasks, check the completed box and change the status to done. Keeping both updated makes your views accurate and prevents old tasks from cluttering your day. For a clean history, create a grid view called Completed and filter it where completed is checked. It's a great place to see your wins and verify that nothing slips back into active views. Set up a mobile view by showing only essential fields like task name, status, priority, and due date. This keeps updates fast when you're on the go. Finally, do a short daily review. Look at anything unfinished, adjust due dates for tomorrow, and make sure your priorities still make sense. That's how you can manage personal tasks in Airtable for daily planning. Thanks for watching.